Kaduang kami ni Chika Christian.
Christian naman dito.
Karamihan. Arab Christian.
Reindeer.
Tao sa Nazareth.
Marami naman kasing Christian na kwan.
Sentro
Ang akala
Tinasaret.
kasi natin pag sinabi natin kwan, pari-parehas na yung
Arab Christian.
kaya sabi ko nung
Ayan.
nag-usap kami ni Alana.
Ito pa ilaw na to eh.
Pag ganito,
Nato yan, ito yan.
kwan, bumaba
No,
tayo.
kuna naman eh, no.
No inter. Kuna na eh.
No enter. No enter.
Buksan damat dahi ta papa.
Ay, bubuksan pala.
Tayo katukan.
Dito po yung bilihan ng mga souvenirs.
Tayo ng
Ewan ko po kung
souvenir.
bubuksan na kasi
Special para sa atin, bubuksan.
Kana wedding yung mga wine.
dito daw yung mga kana wedding, yung mga wine.
Kana wine.
Kana wine, wow.
Wow, bibili tayo ng wine.
Parang
Ay tayo yung bagay panalo ka tayo.
yung wine naging tubig.
Cana of Galilee. Edward Souvenir.
Kita tayo souvenir.
Nga, bagana sa ling.
Hamba makaistorbo, no, lukatan di store ko na na. Ko na. Okay lang. Hello. Shalom.
Muna ka ta makaawa ka te arabic.
Yala. Sa Bahal Care.
Sabahat King!
Joke lang nga, Richie.
How are you?
Good.
Nangyari na yung tinjak mo.
Merry Christmas, Filipino!
Todara ba?
Kama na shipo.
Arbain pe arba.
Beala, bonale, stutyayin.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Pre-taste namin yung wine.
Pre-taste tayo ng wine.
Anggur masarap.
Masarap.
Daw po yung wine. Isang bottle daw sa isang tao.
Let's go.
Let's go. Bili tayo ng souvenir.
Here,
Here in
here. Anwar souvenir.
Anwar Souvenir.
Bye bye Poo. مي أخرى فوق مي أخرى here. وده tour leader.
You can speak Arabic. You can speak Arabic.
مين المسؤول؟
Pastor Jeff. Pastor Marisa, this one.
You are pastor?
Yes.
By the way, we also Christian. We are a Pentecostal.
We are also the part of Pentecost.
My brother, he's a pastor also here. We have here big church in Kenya, and many people come to my church, especially only the Christian. There we give him piano, drums, guitar.
Good.
You know also Pastor Ares?
Yeah.
We are family.
Ayun. Pentecostal. Pasok tayo sa... Aray ko. Baka may purak.
Sino nag-uututan na daw?
This way.
On this way.
Buti nang agad mo nagbukas.
Hindi special ano
My
to.
store never?
First time.
Tika na wine history, no? Wedding wine souvenir.
Oh, picture niya no, kana waiting with the...
Ay, ito. Dito, isa lang.
Listen, my friend, you can take your time. We have here 1 hour when the church open.
Isa lang.
May sarili siyang church.
Pastor,
Yes.
this building, this is my church.
Bro.
Yes. When I finish, I take you to see.
Okay.
But one picture, $1, please. Pastor, yeah, let's go outside.
Ay, doon pala yun. Let's go. Bili tayo ng souvenir.
Go!
This is Nazareth. Yan. Ang ganda.
When Welcome, my friend. We explain for you for all the wine what we have many kinds of wine. Pastor,
Yes.
Si Kanti makikota tagkitakti ko.
my wine.
Wow, dami.
We have many kinds of wine. We have non-alcohol, we have clean wine, alcoholic wine, we have big bottle, we have small bottle.
Meron din silang ano, magkano? Rosary.
We have the art. You
Ay, ang ganda ng bahay na rosaryo nila.
Christian, because we close to you.
Wow.
One. Ano?
Okay. This is one. This is the Colombian wine. We have this one also.
One is for $8. 3 is for 20.
Welcome to the
Ay,
wine.
ito. Jerusalem.
Mahal dito. Mahal dito.
Lakay.
Ito yung may alcohol, yun ang walang alcohol. Yung antik dadawa. This one is with alcohol. This is not alcohol. This is with alcohol.
Ano to? Oil na to?
You can take one.
Don't worry. We have this one, we have lemon, Buddha, we have this lemon, Buddha, we have Rose of Sharon, we have money, King Solomon. This is anointing oil. And this one we have.
Ito yung ginagamit.
Ay, ganda.
Ito ang ano, anointing oil.
Sige. $10. Ito, magkano? $10? Dollars ang payment?
Hindi ang yan ang price niya. Magkano? Kikil nila yan.
Kaya nga, pag kinonvert mo din laki.
Huwag mo i-convert.
Hindi, dollar siya eh.
Hindi tanungin mo, ibibigay nila yung price ng
Ay, dollar eh. Pag dollar ang laki. $13 times 320. Oh, kamahalan.
Yes. Ah, yeah.
Free taste?
Oh, may CR sila. May CR.
Ayoko.
We have many sizes.
2 for $50. Yung ano niya. Ay, bino. Iso tinala ka kanyada. Di arak. Ayan. Pero gito kastanin na ngina. Ay, to bottle na yun. Yung 80. Pwede na.
Dito po kami po ngayon sa Divisoria.
Divisoria, bilihan ng Revolto. Ayan, bili na kayo.
Lebanon olive oil. Anointing oil.
Magkano naman yan? Yung presyo talaga tinitingnan eh. Magkano ba naman yan?
Namimili sila dito sa Divisoria.
Divisoria. Oho. Sale 20%. Ganda nito. Mahal. Red wine ate, taginatang mo. With alcohol?
Pang-display lang.
Yung oil na lang bilhin ko.
And also you buy this one with 50 and the target. Yes. والله انا بدي اتكلم في 50 بيرشو. Yes, this is gift for you. Yes, because you buy this one.
Meron pa dyan, pastor. Kuha ka ng isa pa.
Oo, kaya ano.
Ikaw mata na, ikaw, Chico.
Kipa. Yana. That's it. One, four.
Supposed to be more.
This each one 20 shekel, 3 by 50. There inside we have by 10 shekel each one. Difference. Yes. Yes, ma'am. This one. Wine you 60 shekel.
Tingin nga dun sa ano sa tigda 10. Anti sige sa nga pulo ngayon baga na. Tigti 10 ka no. Hindi ka 20 aji naka-display.
Meron na tayo. Ang dami na natin. Wala. Wala tayo sa rin. Asan ka, Sis Janet? Magkano? Bili tayo? Magkano? Ano? 20. Lima, 5, 10, 15, 20. Naglilima doon.
Yung ganun ang magandang display sa bahay. Yung amo ko dami. Yung sa amin, ang dami kong display, alam na nangyari, puro batik niya, natik na gilis. Nakasarap ko yan, yung mga display na binili ko, kasi meron pa nag-ayos sa kusuban. Yung display, ako po yung pang-ayos, kasi tinapon na
Mano ka sa ate?
I have more shekel.
Ay 50?
Yes, ma'am. We have this one. This one 30 shekel. And this one I give you by 40 shekel. This
Ayun
one-
na lang ate para hindi siya mabasag.
This one. And
Ay na, ate, plus
30. Hindi ang plastic.
Ayun, yung hindi babasag.
Yung hindi nababasag.
Yes, ring shekel.
Adi nga mabasag di tagti 30.
This one? Small one or baby girl?
How much?
This one 40 shekel. Not 60. I give you by 40. I don't have. Yes, but this is a different quality.
But nothing written in this. Only Jerusalem?
No, wait.
No Nazareth?
No. I have Cana like this. I have Cana and Nazareth, I think, the same. 10 shekels. This one, all, what you see here, the magnet, 10 shekel each one.
10
You want to
shekel the
see
magnet.
Cana and Nazareth?
Nalala ka kay sa Jiko. Diyan hanga mabasag.
dyan.
סליחה?
Nazareth?
צריכים שירותים.
Nazareth?
Can בפנים.
Ay, babasag
You
yun.
see, this is here Nazareth. This Nazareth,
Okay.
this Nazareth, this is Cana, and this is all the places in the Galilee.
Okay, this is what, how much?
This one 120 shekels.
Eh?
No,
I thought the same with the...
no, the same. No, there it's
Wait,
different.
okay.
You see here many places. Many places. There I give you by 50 shekel, Nazareth, the small one. But this one I can't.
No, the one not breakable.
You want this one?
Yeah, but with Nazareth.
You want like this?
No, no, no.
Nazareth
Yes,
inside?
yes, yes, yes.
This is one. I give you a new one.
Okay. But you want Nazareth. Nazareth?
We have
Babasagin mo lang?
You can see. Yes, yes. You can see here the color and this 50 shekel I think.
No discount, you make 3.
150.
3.
Listen, I make for you deal, okay? You buy this one, you can take a one like this.
Can you also?
This is a gift. You take it.
Okay. With Nazareth. Aji ko man.
Anybody want this one? You want this one? This one?
No, no, the other one.
This one?
Yes, how much this? 30?
No.
One this free. One that.
30? How much?
This 50 shekel.
Also?
Yes. No, this bigger, man.
No, no.
I don't have them all.
50?
This Holy Bible. King James Holy Bible.
50 din.
Gatling?
Sa kabila, pre. Magkano? Hindi, pag lalaki, paano?
Holy Bible. We have this one for the Christmas.
Oh, wow. How much is one? That's nice. How much?
No. We make discount. This is not the price for, not for you, the Philippines. This is $45. $65. Yeah, $45. We give you this one 100 shekel. Only 100 shekel. This one 150 shekel.
Ay, okay.
We have a special
I
book.
will not take this one.
You see, ma'am?
Ate, agala ka din, tadating-ding.
You see?